In order to complete your JAMB registration, you will need to get what is called an e-pin. It's actually called an electronic pin. So let me share with you simple ways you can get your e-pin. It doesn't need to be a complicated process. There are simple things you can do and you'll be able to buy your own JAMB electronic pin. Without the JAMB pin, it's not possible to register for JAMB. Without the JAMB pin, it's not possible to proceed with your registration. So what is an e-pin? An electronic pin or a JAMB pin is a unique number that a JAMB candidate must obtain to register for the Unified Tertiary Matriculation Examination. It stands for Electronic Personal Identification Number and is a prepaid voucher for the JAMB registration. Acquiring an e-pin has been streamlined to ensure ease and accessibility for all candidates. Remember, I said it is a unique number that candidates must obtain to register for the UTME. It is just a set of numbers, okay? But before you can get your JAMB e-pin, you must have first gotten your JAMB profile code. There is what is called JAMB profile code. You just send your NIN to 55019. There's a video I will show you at the end of this video, easy ways to get your JAMB profile code. So at the end of this video, I will urge you to watch this particular video we have done on our channel, and it is easy way to get your own JAMB profile code. So before we talk about your e-pin, you must have gotten your JAMB profile code. So let's assume you already have your JAMB profile code. Then you will now proceed for you to get your e-pin. How do you get your e-pin? There are three methods I will teach you for getting your e-pin. There's three ways to get your e-pin. Number one is through the JAMB official website. You can log in with your profile code that I will show you how to get in the other video. You log into the JAMB portal. You can see this arrow for logging in, right? You log in and you can see an option to buy your profile code. How do you do that? Using this website. If you don't know how to do that and you want to use the option of buying from JAMB website, you can just subscribe to the YouTube channel Noble Tutorials. Then come under this video, tell me you have subscribed and ask me to send you the link and we will send it to you. So the first method is what? Buying from JAMB facility. Buying from JAMB website. You can actually get your JAMB e-pin, electronic pin from the JAMB website. But then aside that, the second method is buying from you can buy from online vendors, right? Like now, this is QuickTeller. You can buy from QuickTeller. There are certain online vendors that partner with JAMB to make this e-pin accessible to you. And the beautiful thing about this method I'll be sharing with you is that they are online. They are what? All online. You don't need to go to the physical store in most of the cases. So if you QuickTeller, you can get it through QuickTeller. You can get it through Remitter. You can just go on Google and type how to get JAMB e-pin on QuickTeller or how to get JAMB e-pin on Remitter. Just type for Remitter, just type www.remitter.net/JAMB. You can see the prices, right? JAMB e-pin is not available on OPay. There is also a way to buy it through OPay. If you want to buy your JAMB electronic pin through OPay, there's an option to do that, right? Just search. You can also buy through your PalmPay app. You can buy through your PalmPay app. So these are vendors, online vendors. You can just stay in the comfort of your phone, in your home with your data and with your ATM card. You can just pay them and they will send you the profile code to your phone, the phone you use to get. They will send you your e-pin to your SIM card that you use to register for your profile, get your profile code, okay? Then we proceed to the last method of buying your electronic pin. But if you have not done that, if you have not subscribed to our channel, before we go to the last method, go ahead and subscribe. Click on subscribe, then come under this video and tell me you have subscribed. If you also need me to send you past questions, I will send it to you. If you also need me to send you past questions on JAMB, depending on the subjects we'll be writing, I can also send it to you. If you also need us to send you syllabus on the 4 subjects we'll be writing, of course you know that this of English is compulsory, then it will also be sent to you. Okay, before I go to the next method, the last method, there's a video we recommend for you to watch. Don't make these 7 JAMB mistakes. It's a video we have done in our channel. I will leave the link somewhere in this video for you to watch. There are some silly mistakes that candidates like you make, which you should not make. The first step is knowing those mistakes. So watch this video and learn them. The next video is 7 registration requirements. 7 JAMB registration. There are some 7 things you must have to register for your JAMB. 7 documents you must have before you even talk about registration. So watch this video. I will leave the link somewhere. If you also want me to send you the link privately, let me know so I send it to you. This requirement is important no matter the year you are writing the JAMB. Okay, the last method for getting your JAMB e-pin is to buy the JAMB e-pin through the banks, through normal banks. You see, most of the banks sell JAMB e-pin, most of the banks. So you can see UBA sells JAMB e-pin, FCMB, First City Monument Bank also sells JAMB e-pin. They just say you can now purchase your JAMB UTME or direct entry e-pin at any FCMB branch. The next bank is Access Bank. You can get your UTME e-pin purchase, not available in any Access Bank. You can also get it in Fidelity Bank. This one is for WAEC, but they do WAEC, they also do NECO and JAMB. Then this is Zenith Bank. You can also get your UTME pin from Zenith Bank. You can also buy it from what? Polaris Bank. I mean, First Bank, UBA, Union Bank, all these normal banks. Maybe apart from JAMB Bank, all of them, they sell this e-pin, right? Remember the 3 things I said. You can buy from JAMB online site. If you need me to share the link, we will share it to you. You can buy from the online vendors like QuickTeller, Remita, Pampe, OPay, and all the rest. You just, if you need guidance on that, just ask me, and that's when you have subscribed. You tell me you have subscribed, then you can ask your question. Then you can also go to the bank nearest to you with money. If you want to know how much you will pay for JAMB, let me know. I've done a video for that. If you want to know how much for the e-pin, just also let me know so that we can also share that information and the video that contains the information with you. Okay, so we encourage you to keep reading. This is the next video to watch. Easy way to get your JAMB profile code. Remember, like I said, you cannot get your e-pin without first getting your profile code. And many of you don't know how to get your profile code. So click on watch to watch this video. Easy ways to get your JAMB profile code. We wish you all the best. So watch the video.